Hey, student, how are you? Welcome to our session on graphing a line given a point and a slope. We'll walk through a few examples. Number one, given the point 1, comma 2 and the slope m. In mathematics, we use the variable m to represent slope, and our slope is going to be 4/3. We're going to graph this line described by this point 1, comma 2 and the slope 4/3. The first step in graphing a line, we're going to start with the point 1, comma 2. 1 to the right, up 2. And here is our point 1, comma 2. Then we'll use our slope. Our slope is 4/3. Slope is rise over run. So using our slope, we can go up 4. 4 is positive. Up is a positive direction. And to the right, 3. So starting at our point, 1, comma 2, we will go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to the right, 1, 2, 3. This is the second point on the line. And again, to get to that point, we went up 4 and to the right 3. And here is the second point on the line. And let's label that point. That's going to be 5, comma 5. We can also go in the other direction. Positive 4/3 is equal to negative 4 over negative 3. Two negatives make a positive. So we could go the other way. We'll go down 4 and to the left 3. This will give us another point on our line. Once again, starting at 1, comma 2. This time we will go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And to the left, 1, 2, 3. Here is another point on this line. And this point is negative 2, comma negative 2. Now we can connect these points and draw our line. Let's take a look at another example. Given the point 4, comma 5 and the slope m, negative 1/2. First step, we'll graph our point 4, comma 5. 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is the point 4, comma 5. Let's take a look at our slope. Slope is rise over run. Since we have a negative slope, we could give the negative to the top number. Negative 1 over 2 is equal to negative 1/2. Negative 1 divided by 2 is negative 1/2. Then using our rise over run, -1 in the top, rise. -1 is down 1. +2 in the bottom is our run. We will run to the right 2. So starting from our point 1, 5, we will use our slope down 1 and to the right 2. This will give us the second point on our line. We could give the negative to the bottom, to the 2. 1 divided by -2 is -1/2. So to go the other way, we'll go up 1. 1 is positive. And then on the bottom, run -2 to the left. Starting at our original point, 1, 5, we'll go up 1 and to the left 2. This will give us another point on the line. Let's connect these points. And there's our line. Let's do one last example. Let's take a look at graphing the line given the point 0, 0 and the slope m of 5. We'll start with graphing our point 0, 0. And then let's take a look at our slope. Our slope is a whole number, 5. How do you make a whole number into a fraction so that we have rise over run? We can make 5 into a fraction by putting 5 over 1. Now we know we need to go up 5 and to the right 1. Starting at our point and using our slope, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to the right 1. This will give us the second point on our line. Using the same method for going in the opposite direction we did in example 1, we can make both of these numbers negative. 2 negatives make a positive. So we can also go down 5 and left 1 to get another point on our line. Starting at our original point, 0, 0, we'll go the other way, down 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to the left 1. This will give us another point on our line. And we can finish this up by connecting these points. And that is how you graph a line given a point and a slope. Thanks so much for joining our session, and I'll see you next time.